So it seems everyone is building PCs, and I am in those aisles of Micro Center Santa Clara, California, and pretty fancy stuff from Lianli for integrated cooling, or rather, if you want fans integrated with your PC cases. And there's all kinds of RGB stuff and all going on, and also some Swedish-like design here from Lianli. Then we have the smaller ATX and ITX PC sizes. This is fractal design. I think that's the Mood small form factor. And this is the fractal design North mesh. Smaller ITX builds. Pretty roughly tested, I suppose. But yeah, standing strong. Pretty solid build. That's what it looks from the inside, and these are of course adjustable. There are many YouTubers talking about the entire build and going over it, so I won't bore you guys, but that's also fractal design. Pretty cool cases. I am very interested in one particular case that is out of stock here, which is the Cooler Master Ncore. It's in a bronze color here. It goes for $399. I think you can find some cheaper alternatives on Amazon, but if you want to get some support or get the PC built here, you can come to Micro Center, and it comes with an integrated cooler. You see here, I don't want to pull it apart, but that's how you see the air filter, mesh, and the fan, and the heat sink for the CPU. So, and I think it also comes with the PCE adapters, so pretty cool. And there, of course, other designs. And if you're into NAS, there's Asuster or Ugreen NASes. Of course, everyone will need some local storage for their own home labs, or your own local AI models, or your camera footage, or whatever you're working with, So yeah, let me know what do you want to see next.